How to enable two-factor authentication on Instagram. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. In order to do so, firstly, launch your Instagram application in your mobile device. Make sure you are logged in and it is up to date. To enable your 2FA for your Instagram, tap on the user icon and select on the three horizontal line at the top. From here, tap on Account Center. Under Account Settings, tap on Password and Security. Select on Two-Factor Authentication. Select on your Instagram account. Here you have two of the methods. One is the Authenticator app and SMS or WhatsApp. Select any and tap on Next. In the case of SMS or WhatsApp, you need to enter the phone number, then it will send you an OTP code to initiate it. Enter the OTP code and select on Next. After this, your two-factor authentication as a form of SMS or WhatsApp will be initiated. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.